welcome to Purple Cat Network. I post videos of me making miniature items, and today's video is something a little bit different. So not a miniature house kit, this is just a bit of a side project that I've worked on this past week. We have an upcoming Dungeons and Dragons campaign, and it is an underwater theme, which is very spooky and scary. And my partner is the DM, and he wanted to have some giant kelp for his battle map. We ordered some of these aquatic plants from Temu, thinking that it included a giant kelp, but what is advertised is not always what you get, and we ended up with just these small little bushes in varying colours. So we pushed past that initial disappointment.
You're a fucking disappointment.
And I realized, hey, I make miniature things all the time. I can turn this miniature aquatic bush into a giant kelp. And so that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to show you how I turned this tiny little bush into this giant kelp. So this bush is attached to a plastic base. It is not secured to the base by any difficult means. You can literally just pull it off. And then I cut off all of the leaves individually off of the plastic so that they were all separate leaves. I then got a thin piece of green wire that I had had left over from other crafting projects I had done, and I wrapped the base and I wrapped one end of the wire around the stem in the base that the plant was originally attached to, and tightened it in place with some pliers, and then straightened it up to a nice length. I made sure it wasn't too tall because I obviously only have a finite number of leaves from the bush. And from here, I just started gluing each leaf one by one onto the wire. I started out doing the top first just to get like a nice kind of top bushy look. And after I got the top done, I continued with starting from the bottom, and then I worked all the way up to the top using UV glue, partly because it sets really quickly and I wanted to get this done quickly. Sitting around waiting for, if I had used other glue, I'd be sitting around for ages waiting for it to dry before I would be able to progress. Also, being wire and being vertical, it's very difficult to get glue to set, and the leaves just wouldn't have stayed in place, so it would have been more of a nightmare. So I decided to use UV glue. So as I worked my way, I made sure to cover the entire stem initially, and then I still had another half dozen or so leaves left over that I used to just bulk out the kelp a little bit more. And the last thing I did was I wanted to put a little bit of weight into the base, and then also figure out a way to kind of hold the wire into place. So I got some clay, and I mixed a little bit of brown and black clay, and then just placed it into the plastic base that the plant came on, and then just texturized it a little bit with a toothpick to make it kind of look a little bit like dirt. And there you have it. We have some giant kelp to be used for our underwater ocean theme D&D campaign, and as you can see, comparing it next to our D&D minis, it is pretty big. If you liked this video and want to see more miniature content from me, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. See you next time!